Hey guys, it's time to start getting jobs that align with your creativity and deepest innovative skills. The reason why we already see what's going on in retail or customer service, where we're going through lines and we're dealing with robots, we're dealing with automated cash registers where you don't need an actual human being to operate them. It's already happening now. And that's what I'm saying. Like, we got to start looking around and seeing they're already predicting right here. Right, you see, I'm going to put it right here. This article right here. It's talking about how 70% of the jobs that exist now are not going to exist by the year 2030. Okay, this is why I'm talking the way that I'm talking, and this is why you need to start thinking about, especially the millennials and Gen Zs. We already know that we're not going to have a retirement. So what is our actual retirement plan? We have to discover our own retirement plans. Like, we literally have to discover our own retirement plans, because these jobs don't give two craps about us. They're laying people off. I was talking to a close, I would say, family member of mine today, and they would, she was telling me how they had a layoff at her job of over 5,000 people. Now, mind you, she works for Big Pharma. So she was saying how some of the people were having a fit, and she got severance, and she got severance in her pay up to the end of the year and a severance check. But the people that acted out when they got released from the job, they're not going to receive their severance package because of their behavior. But people were upset because the layoff came out of nowhere. And, those people are the people who actually believe in the American dream. They actually believe that this system works. They actually believe in this systematic way of getting trained to work for somebody else for the rest of your life and get a 401k works. Oh my gosh. Listen. Y'all better listen to DoorDash, and then when they tell y'all get on YouTube, establish some type of digital assets, establish some type of digital product, something that you can make once and keep making money off of, something that's unique about you. Master it, because if you don't, you just might drown. The applied science jobs are factory workers. We see what happened in Michigan and Detroit. Like, they're getting robots to do these jobs. AI is coming to do these jobs. People making jokes about the Elon Musk robot, but it's not funny. Like, these people are literally gearing up to shift human life as we know it. Everything is going to shift because of the technology that's going to come to make things easier to do without human interaction, or should I say interference, because we're devolving. We're not evolving. We're declining rapidly as humans. They know it. That's why AI is coming in, and we just gotta understand. Listen, we gotta become our own job. We gotta become our own system of making cash flow with these new opportunities with AI, working with AI, like finding, upskilling is what they call it. That's what they call in this article. They call it upskilling. You know what I'm saying? Because jobs are going to disappear, but new ones are going to pop up. New jobs are going to pop up out of nowhere, just like new companies are going to pop up out of nowhere. We got to keep up with that by way of creativity. Spontaneous creativity is going to be our best friend, because it's going to be a new way of thinking, new thought patterns, new way of inventive skills to be able to keep up with the new technology. Coding, STEM is a big one, people that are inside of STEM, and you can be in STEM and maybe not even know it. Like me, I do wellness and herbalism, dealing with biochemistry and treating people with preventative medicine. This is a form of STEM. This is a form of biology. I'm learning about the human body, how to treat it naturally, and going back to the ancient ways of healing in an innovative way that people can trust, because we are being failed by these formal institutions. People are getting more skeptical about what the USA is allowing to be put into their food, the chemicals and the dyes and all these other hormones that are being injected to our food. People are becoming more aware because of the information age. So here I am with this unique set of skills to bring preventative medicine in a unique way so people can catch on to be able to have an alternative option with alternative medicine and healing and personal development and spiritual growth, along with some really good products that help people do that. So I developed these skills because I seen the shift coming along with the paradigm shift that I had in my mind. So this is all I'm saying, y'all. Just go deep within. You have valuable stuff about you that you haven't even discovered yet. That's true spirituality. True spirituality is just really deep self-discovery, because there's things about you that you don't even know yet, and you need to discover those new things before this happens. Okay? Stay on the path.